What's up, sis? It's your girl Cece back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to slay your wigs. I get a lot of questions about my wigs and how do you slay a wig straight out of the box. This hair I actually received from Beauty Forever Hair. These are just bundles and a closure. It's a 16, 14, and 12 inch bundles, and then I also got a closure to go with it, and I made this wig. But even when you make wigs, sometimes they look a little cray-cray as soon as you put them on. You have to do some kind of something to the wigs to make them look the way you want them to look. So here I am just showing you guys how crazy the wig looks after I made it straight off the mannequin head. This is how it looks. So I'm going to show you guys how I changed this wig and make it look more suitable to my head and my face shape, and just make it look good with minimal effort. Yes, bald head, beat face. That's how you do it. But off camera, I actually tweezed the part. That's another thing that you need to do before you put your wig on, is to make sure that you're tweezing the part the way you want it. I have another video where I show you guys how I tweeze the part, so I can link that in this video. But here, I'm just making sure that that part looks like my scalp. So what I'm doing is adding some powder to the closure. I'm just to the inside of the closure, just adding the powder to that part area and around most of the lace on the closure. And then I'm also going to add it to my wig cap, as you see me doing here. And this just makes sure the part looks like my skin tone and my scalp. It also helps to mask those black knots. So as I put the wig back on, you can see right here how the part just looks so much better, and we're going to do some more work to that part as well. And if you guys are interested in this hair at all, I do have a discount code down below, and I'll have it all linked down below. This curly hair is super pretty. I've been wearing it for like the last week, and I'm really loving the hair. So definitely check it out down below. Here I just have a spray bottle full of water, and I'm just going to spray the hair. This is going to help tame the hair and bring it down a little bit. It was dry straight out of the pack, and so it was just very poofy. And so wetting the hair actually helps tame it down a bit, and it really helps those curls pop as well. So here, that's what I'm doing. It makes it a lot more manageable and easy to maintain. Love wearing curly hair when it's dampened or wet. I usually wet my curly hair like once a day to really give it that defined look that I love. So after I wet the hair with water, I also use a leave-in conditioner. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and I really love it because it doesn't leave my hair feeling super greasy. That is the last thing you want with your weaves, wigs, extensions, whatever, is for them to feel and look super greasy. So I'm using that because it really doesn't weigh the hair down, and but the curls get defined. That is the big thing. So adding this leave-in conditioner also helps keep the hair tamed once it dries from the water. So I'm just putting it on the hair, making sure to add it to the ends. The ends always are the most fragile part of your hair, whether we're talking natural hair or weaves, wigs, and extensions. So just make sure you're taking care of the ends of whatever hair that you're rocking. And you can see the immediate difference right here by just adding that product. As far as the straightening comb is just really good for taming like your areas around the part, so your hair looks a lot flatter around the part and it doesn't look super poofy or super wiggy. I hate a super wiggy looking wig, so a straightening comb really helps combat that. Now with the closure, I try to take a little bit of my edges out, and for me, I feel like it just helps it look a lot more natural. When you take a little bit of your edges out and just smooth it down with edge control, it just makes the whole look a little more seamless, the area around the part. So that's what I'm doing here, just taking some of my edges out, and then I'm just going to smooth it down with my favorite edge control. Last thing I'm doing is adding some foundation, my skin tone, to the part, just to make sure that it looks like my skin and my scalp. And this is really it, you guys. This is everything that I do to make my wigs look a little more natural. If you guys like videos like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also check out Beauty Forever Hair down below. Love you guys. Bye.